Welcome, the Empowered Champions. Welcome to another video. So, if this is the first time that you're visiting this channel, welcome. My name is Vivette, and on this channel, we talk about ways that we can make money, we can save money, invest money, that we can achieve financial freedom. So, in this video, I want to talk about how we can make some money with Airbnb experiences. I'm not sure if many persons know about Airbnb experiences. We know about Airbnb, like renting somewhere for a vacation and things like that. But you can make money online with Airbnb experiences. So let me show you how you can go about doing that. All right, so we're on Google and we're going to type in Airbnb experiences. All right. Okay. So we're gonna go down. Um, or we can stop right here. We can go right here. Okay, so on Airbnb experiences, you can provide various types of service no matter where you live. You can provide various type of services to persons who are interested in what you have to offer. So as you can see here, right, you can plan a trip with the help from local hosts around the world. And here, guys, persons are all over the world offering different types of experiences. Some want to showcase like their dance, drinks, entertainment, fitness, history and culture, magic, music. You have social impact, wellness, Olympians and Paralympians. So just about any and everything can be offered here. Some of these services you can offer it online experiences, as well as in person, whereby you can make the arrangement, and either you pick up the person from the airport, and based on the terms and what the experience is all about, then you'll be able to have that one-on-one or sort of face-to-face with the relevant COVID-19 protocols in place. All right, so I just want to show you different persons here on the platform offering different services all around the world, right? So these services, as you see, starting in the next 6 hours, between 8 a.m. 10:30 a.m. This person is from India and it's from $14 per person, right? I think they have group rates as well. And this person is having a cooking class, Beijing dumplings and cuisine by Sunflower Lee, right? So these are just some of the areas in which you can offer services and you can make money online, right? You can make money. So this is another way, guys, that you can look into. You can do your research. You can go on the website, do your research, and if there's something there that you can offer to make some money, additional money, even from the comfort of your home, you can do so, right? You can do so, and that is an extra money in your pocket, right? So there are so many areas that you can look into, so many areas, guys. And for example, look here, guys. This One, these are sold out, right? Slow food, matcha, mocktails, Rika, Rika healing and energization, digital arts and design experience, beginner swim lesson with Jamal Hill. Guys, there's so many things you can offer persons, just especially with COVID, some persons don't really want to travel, and this is just another way that you can offer this sort of experience online to persons all over the world. And you can determine, I guess, you can determine the rates that you charge. With the Airbnb experience, there are certain things, once you meet the requirements, then you'll be able to offer yourself and your experiences on the platform. All right, so it says you can become a host, right? You can sign up, you can host your home. So if you have, if you want to host your home, you can do that. You can host an experience, right? And you go ahead and you sign up and follow the necessary rules and regulations or terms and all of that, and you can be on your way to making some extra money, right? So I just want to probably just click on someone experience. All right, this is in South Korea. Right, let's see what this is all about. All right, so craft a custom trip for Korea with J, right? And his rate is from $27 per person, and this is where you would add like the dates, and you'll book whether it's group or individual, and you have to be, these are the number of reviews that this person has. He has been a host since 2018 and is verified on the platform, right? And you can just browse around the website and see what services you can offer. All right, so we want to look at how you can get paid now. So that's the most important thing. So how do payouts for experiences work? You will need to set up your preferred payout method on your Airbnb profile, and they say learn how to add a payout method, right? So you go here and it's ready to host. Fantastic. Just set up a payout method and prepare to welcome your guests. For more information, check out our resource center. So you'll just go ahead and go to your account, go to the payout, add a payout method, right? And it says choose your billing country to find payment method available to you. So based on when you go on your account and you click on the payout method, then you will see what payout methods are available to you based on the country where you reside, right? So also it says getting paid, and it's showcase the different payout types. So you can choose from bank transfer, direct deposit, right? So use info from a check to enter your bank transfer or direct deposit routing number and account number, and you can read the rest. That's one. You have international wire, depending on your location that is available. You have Payoneer, bank transfer or debit card, and you can use PayPal is an option, Western Union is an option, and AIS debit card. Not familiar with this one, but I'm familiar with the others. So depending on where you are, you just choose the payout method that is right for you. So guys, this is just another way that you can make some money online, or whether in face to face, right? This is just another way that you can make some money, that you can increase your income, you can save it, you can save and you can invest, and you can achieve financial freedom. And at the same time, you are doing something that you enjoy doing, and you're passionate about it, right? So you're having a good time because it's something that you enjoy, and you are, making some money in the same at the same time, right? So if you like this content, guys, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. Please give a like to the videos. Check the other videos, watch them, like them, share them, because it does a lot for the channel, so that other persons can see the content, and it may benefit someone else. So share the videos, like the videos, that it can go out to more persons, and leave a comment on the videos. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd love to see me talk about on the channel. So we want to grow our channel and grow the community. Right now, at the time of making this recording, I am at 54 subscribers, which I'm very grateful. Thank you all for subscribing, and we want to reach to 1,000 subscribers, that I can offer more services on the platform to use. So please help me to reach that target, 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. So just help out the channel, liking, subscribing, sharing the videos, commenting on the videos. So thanks again, guys. And if you're interested in anything, you can check the description. I have my 12 money saving tips. It's free. You can grab it. I also have, you can sign up with Rakuten, which is a free is a platform that you can get some cashback while you shop online. And also, guys, I have my password editable ebook, where if you have issues like myself, for trying to remember username and passwords, then this ebook is great for you. I will link it in the description below, and you can get it. All right, guys, so I will see you in another video. Bye, everyone.